these were Dover Impulses. Oh, they're hydros. They still have the buzz.
There's some hydro fluid too.
And the indicator's stuck.
This was probably done by Star or
ThyssenKrupp. Listen to the door. Ooh. Listen to the...
okay, we might have a really good match.
Original motors. Roof deck. That's a one. Yeah.
My battery might die mid-field almost. Yeah, this was done by a local company.
Interesting thing here.
Same company that did the mod at the parking garage across the street.
I don't like how the words are not centered. Oh, the other one's here. You gonna end it?
I'm ending mine, but you can move.
Okay. We'll go up to 4.
I want to see what the roof decks are.
Yeah. We'll end it up here. Bet you wish you were filming, huh?